Good morning everyone, this is Vaishnavi from Technical Days. We'll update you on the Nifty as well as USD and our technical outlook. In previous week's index started the week on negative note and selling pressure throughout the week led index to close in negative territory. Nifty closed around 8583 with loss of 126 points on week basis. On the weekly chart, index has formed a sizable bearish candle indicating sustained selling pressure at higher levels. On the daily as well as on weekly chart, Nifty continued to form lower top lower bottom formation indicating downtrend in short term as well as in medium term. In previous weeks, index has marked a weekly low around its 3 months multiple support zone of 8550 and 8500 levels, which remains a crucial support zone at current level. From current levels, the chart pattern indicates that if Nifty trade and sustains above 8610 level, then it may witness some pullback rally towards 8670 and 8750 levels. From current levels, immediate short-term support zone is around 8540. Any violation of this support zone will indicate further weakness and Nifty may witness accelerated selling pressure towards 8500 and 8440 levels. Nifty continued to remain below its 20 as well as 50-day simple moving average, which supports bearish sentiment in short term as well as in medium term. Nifty continued to remain in a downtrend in short term as well as in medium term. Hence, any pullback rally will remain as an exit opportunity for short term traders. For the week, we expect Nifty to trade within range of 8660 to 8500 levels with mixed bias. On the indicator front, the weekly strength indicator RSI as well as momentum indicator stochastic both are in negative territory indicating further weakness. Some positive bias stock for the day are BEML, Tata Global, L&T, ONGC, Ultratech Cement and TVS Motor, whereas some negative bias stock for the day are Zee Limited, Apollo Tyre, HUL, Bata India and JSW Steel. Moving to the USD technical outlook, in previous trading session, USD opened on a negative note and selling pressure throughout the session dragged USD lower to close near day's low. It has closed around 66.81 with loss of 0.31%. On the daily chart, USD has formed a sizable bearish candle forming lower high-low formation compared to previous session indicating negative bias. Since past 8 consecutive trading sessions, USD is consolidating within 67.10 to 66.65 level, indicating short-term sideways trend. For past 2 consecutive weeks, USD continued to form a doji candlestick pattern on the weekly chart, which indicates indecisiveness among the market participants regarding the immediate direction. It is also sustaining below its 20 as well as 50-day simple moving average, which supports bearish sentiment ahead. For the day, if USD trade and sustains below 66.80 levels, then it may witness further selling pressure towards 66.60 to 66.40 levels. On the higher end, immediate intraday resistance zone is around 66.95 levels. On the indicator front, the daily strength indicator RSI as well as momentum indicator stochastic, both indicators have turned flat, indicating absence of strength at current level. Thank you.